Well, for many of us, it's the most stressful time of the year. We're approaching a big election, of course, losing sunlight every day and prepping for the holidays on top of all of that.
There's a lot going on, so as part of Fox 12's Health Watch, our Julia Lopez sat down with a holistic integrative medical doctor to learn how to put yourself first this November.
How you doing? I'm okay. I can make it. You know, but that's not being happy and healthy.
Dr. Ken Weizer has worked with Providence Health for 26 years. He says right now people are at maximum stress and that trying to reduce that stress can be a stressor in itself.
After this thing, after this scrolling, then I'll do it, or I'll only do this. The best boundary is the tiniest little step that you make.
When it comes to election fatigue, he says to step away from your phone, but do only what you know works for you.
I'm gonna have a cup of chamomile tea and not watch or listen to anything. I'm actually gonna taste the tea. And then that forms a little boundary, and then you say, that was pretty good, you know? I may not actually pick up my phone for a few minutes. I might just do a little stretching.
Just like that, you're doing self-care. Maybe it's reading a book or noticing sunlight through a window. Weizer explains anything that allows you to take a step back.
And if you have a history book, you just look through it, and this stuff is just endless. And it won't end in November. It'll just keep going and going and going. So it's not the end of the world. Squirrels will still collect nuts. The sky will still have clouds and rain.
That applies for any stressful event.
You're at Thanksgiving dinner and the turkey is hitting the fan.
In the moment, Weizer says to touch your fingers together to ground yourself.
Ah, okay. I'm still here. I'm breathing.
And if things get really heated, take a breather, literally. You can find a bathroom, take deep breaths, and look at yourself in the mirror.
I'm still here. Be here now. It's always be here now.
Once you find what brings you peace, he says to practice year-round. Weizer, for example, takes daily walks, rain or shine. Even if it's just a little at a time, any self-care helps.
You have to realize that you matter, that you're not just a lost piece of dust in the chaos. We can all do a lot. We affect ourselves and we affect everyone and everything that we're in contact with.
Julia Lopez, Good Day, Oregon.
That's right.